In this video, I will be telling you how to delete the Pollo.Ai account. For that, the process is very simple, yet it's a little bit complicated as well. So if you are new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So exactly what you have to do is this is the interface of the Pollo.Ai, and I'll be attaching the Pollo.Ai link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So right now, all you can do is to go and click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Here you will see a bunch of things, but you won't see an option related to your account. But what you see is your profile options. If you click on your profile option, it will redirect you to this page, and here you see that you won't be able to delete your account. But if you click on edit profile, there's still not an option to delete your account. So what you guys can do is basically go over your profile icon, and once you do that, go ahead and click on contact us. And that way, if by contacting them through email and other stuff, you will be able to delete your account. So this is the only way that is possible to delete your account. I hope you find this really helpful.